Are you looking for the wireless meat thermometer? In this video, we bring you detailed reviews of the 4 best smart wireless meat thermometer, helping you easily choose the best option for your needs. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 4. Chef IQ Sense Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer. 2 ultra-thin probes, Wi-Fi, unlimited range, 1000 degrees Fahrenheit heat safe, 5 sensors, barbecue, grill, oven, smoker, air fryer. Perfect doneness every time. This smart cooking thermometer takes away guesswork with real-time internal temperature updates, flip reminders, rest timers, estimated cooking times, guided cooking recipes, and more. 5 sensors, max accuracy. Get maximum cooking accuracy from any angle with 4 internal temperature sensors. Additionally, an ambient sensor tracks your cooking environment's temp for ideal proteins inside and out. Engineered for durability. Crank up the grill. The Chef IQ thermometer for cooking is built to endure 1000 degrees Fahrenheit heat and features an ultra-thin probe design to keep proteins intact and juices inside. Unlimited wireless range. Check on your food from anywhere via Wi-Fi. Long-range connectivity means you can use this digital meat thermometer to remotely monitor cooking while chatting with friends and family. Number 3. ThermoMaven Smart Bluetooth Wireless Meat Thermometer. Standalone base, Wi-Fi unlimited range, 6 sensors with NIST certified accuracy, 2 probes for kitchen, barbecue, grill, oven, smoker, rotisserie. Brand, ThermoMaven. Special feature, alarm, app companion, dual probe, high accuracy, large display. Color, red, 2 probes. Age range of description, adult. Included components, wireless meat thermometer P2x1, user manual x1, USB-C charging cable x1. Outer material, plastic. Specification met, NIST. Display type, digital. Connectivity technology, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Product care instructions, machine wash, oven safe, wipe clean. Smart display base. Unlike other thermometers that require an app to function, the P2 Smart Base provides direct target temperature setting and real-time readings display. For advanced features like cooking history and AI-guided cooking, the free ThermoMaven app, iOS Android, is also available, giving you the best of both worlds. Unlimited range via Wi-Fi. Unlike Bluetooth-only thermometer, the ThermoMaven P2 uses 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi to connect the base to your phone for truly unlimited range. Requires a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, compatible with most home routers. If your router is dual band, connect the base to the 2.4 GHz band. Monitor your cooking from anywhere in your home or outside. 100% wireless freedom. Kiss tangled wires goodbye with the ThermoMaven P2. Roam freely with Bluetooth long-range connectivity, linking seamlessly from the base to the probes. Number 2. ThermoMaven Smart Bluetooth Wireless Meat Thermometer. 10x enhanced sub-1G signal and stability. Standalone display base. Certified accuracy ±0.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Wi-Fi unlimited range for barbecue, oven, smoker, grill. Brand, ThermoMaven. Included components, wireless meat thermometer 1, user manual 1, USB-C charging cable 1. Special feature, app companion, high accuracy, large display, waterproof, Wi-Fi support. Age range description, adult. Outer material, plastic. Specification met, NIST certified accuracy. Display type, digital. Connectivity technology, Bluetooth. Sub-1G technology, Wi-Fi. Smart display base with control. The ThermoMaven G1 wireless meat thermometer features a versatile smart display base that offers real-time temperature readings and allows you to set temperatures directly on the device. No app required. With our user-friendly one-click setup, you can connect the probe, pair with the base, and start cooking in seconds. No complicated setup needed. Reliable sub-1G connectivity. Experience stable long-range monitoring with our advanced sub-1G technology, allowing you to track your food from up to 3,000 feet away, unobstructed, and 700 feet in obstructed areas via the smart base. Enjoy the freedom to relax and socialize without being tied to the grill. Number 1. Wi-Fi sub-1 gig wireless meat thermometer. Unlimited range. 7 NIST certified sensors with ambient temp. 2 temp monitoring ways. Digital smart base and app for barbecue, smoker, grill, oven. Brand, barbecue oven. Special feature, alarm, app companion, fast reading system, large display, Wi-Fi support. Included components, Smart Meat Thermometer. Outer material, high temperature resistant ceramics, stainless steel, wood. Specification met, FCC, NIST, RoHS, UL, WEEP. Display type, Digital Smart Base Plus app. Connectivity technology, industrial grade sub 1 gig, 10 to 30 times stronger signal than Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Product care instructions, wipe clean. Unlimited range monitoring. Monitor your food temperature anytime, anywhere. No need to stay beside the grill. With our Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer, you can check your barbecue or smoker status remotely through the app and enjoy more time with family and friends. Smart Base with digital display. We designed a smart base with a large digital screen for customers who prefer not to use the app. You can monitor real-time temperature anywhere in your home without connecting your phone. Perfect for quick grilling or indoor cooking. Industrial-grade stable signal. Unlike Bluetooth-only Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth models, we use advanced Wi-Fi plus sub-1 gig industrial-grade wireless technology, delivering 10 to 30 times stronger signal penetration. Monitor your grill temperature from any room without dropouts. No more burnt barbecue due to disconnection.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.